You know we are kwa na so famra channel so nanso ya san tena se biem ya dia hyemen biem on Bernard GH. And we congratulations to Accra Hearts of Folk for them winning the Ghana Premier League 2020-2021 season. We are Hearts of Folk nia no asembi ka kire wona. We are Hearts of Folk nia no asembi ka kire wona. For nyoma wa form this season. Men kom the years na atwam no. Na nyoma wa form this season kwa na Hearts of Folk atima winning the Ghana Premier League no. We are Hearts of Folk nia no asembi ka kire. And you need to be happy. You need to enjoy yourself. Anything you want to do, adia ema won hwe won kan de. You need to do it. Do be ya mo wani agi bia no. Ye na mo wani nye. Se ema won hwe won kan de a, ye na mo wani nye. So ye Hearts of Folk ni na we winning this year's Premier League na mo wani nye. So what I say, I am reho for one reason. Hearts of Folk for no cap your margin. Ade ba ko ama me reho the lead chamokwe. Got here samre na ka Hearts of Folk winning this league about me sure say baby obi na ne beje ewo baby obi as Hearts of Folk enso timaje this year's Premier League DSC eye omonazo. And I'm happy for the Hearts of Folk fraternity. To your Hearts of Folk nia me say mo wasem bi ka kire wo we didn't benjamin na kuya ko jamfi beti ma from Ricardo Vaz me na matenase ya me di eye asem wi enso e di ebrel ya reacted to Hearts of Folk league no match no. So what I say indeed me 7 evidence nemom eye ministers clothing the chroma me jumadi enso eba say o pata the papa said that call program bia pesa woko say your wedding say your graduation say your aye say your naming ceremony everything ministers clothing 0550 919100 0550 919100 mo amwa bruchiri no mo tai frɛ pa aginchiri mu but adia na mo dadwe ne sɛ ase mo nchara anyi ni sɛ obetumi da na bre wana sɛ on fa mrem me say me abidi adanse e oye bebre e send amanfo delivery ne de biara da you just trust him so by the bebre and ono he take delight in say or serve amanfo so he wouldn't fraud you anything. Just call him and as a test him on 0550919100 or Ghana obeso about shop obeso about adwuma obeso about office no betiku measurement no kokko pamata de ma wo betima ba ababeye the here to obefre no so wuntimi enso ema ne meyesa den but opese wo shata ni bia just send him your current picture obepam the amount so your ba so ye bem obepam the amount ministers clothing friend no WhatsApp no 0550919100 ni nim komo so uni Ghana so wo Ghana obetima sort out sanso na Quest Life Furniture say ye shoe rag na ope say ye TV stand na ope say ye wardrobe na ope sa no me dey nsa hyehyɛ mi enu bi na ope a Quest Life Furniture be sort out amount from no numbers in the good screen ne so no fa frɛ no osu hu advert no on Bernard GH on YouTube obe hell o ma discount bebre ma osu akwa ko use ma dem ho nya fe the delight hyehyɛ mi na Quest Life enso ye bi wona so ye ti frɛ na ni nkomo na na mani na ntimi ko ye emfamo afa yengram na yemfa nsam emra the 2020-2021 Ghana Premier League season no enyamba na wiye 34 matches na yebo but yebo 33 matches and 33 matches na yebo no Hearts of Folk was 61 points Timua je fe no Kumasi asa no koto ka oben no 57 points ya no kire say Accra Hearts of Folk enso ultimate Ghana Premier League no officially at the show na so they can say in their game against Wafa near the trophy na so show mun sam na fi bibia expect ma bana we but they've won the Ghana Premier League aseye kasa because the last game na kan Kotoko against team friend Emina Sha so Kotoko share 55 million naira krana they can't win the Ghana Premier League. Hearts of Folk Lusua still there will be 1 point and so between them into more and so to match Ghana Premier League you know at the show na so ntisa in the city and it's been a mixed feeling season for Hearts of Folk supporters no because this season Uriah Feno Pochettino na start here Niodum on the start here no man koyi eno mpamo no na am Costa Papech buy Costa Papech buy no man koyi eno mpamo Papech so what you say and this Aroras coach enso bam enso be yijumane kakra enso edimomo odo no so efiri ho na Samuel Boadu buy and Samuel Boadu buy we performing magic era ma Accra Hearts of Folk into your Hearts of Folk ni amoni nye because you starting season no na your man koyi you starting season na teams never fly be team United more fly near that no na Hearts of Folk struggle but within some money ni nano how to focus ma ba about the Ghana Premier League this year na so oh you have to focus supporter money and most especially say who take key part in that demonstration na course so amoye wo ye kire mpanifo hu say club no na mode makoma di akire munya wini bonus bia wum ye ntia moka bia wum but mo kra na makoma na mode team na chin say team no nkoyi a ehye mo ntimu register mo displeasure e de kire mpanifo take key decisions a aboa am house of folk at Magic Premier League, you know, in first time since 2009, we had to folk nyam nye because sometimes violence so na mo ye you know I'm shaking mo chirem panifo for taking good decisions no aboa ama team na so team akonanim mo yes I didn't we tune na kabom and mo for the path for do this level and mo ye chire no mo panifo ka say you need a local coach mo be support no ama na makoyi dem mo hia broni bia and mo pani to go afa de tie e ko for Samuel Dubai because Juma na Samuel Boadu e wo media no hwa na e be boa na ko fa ne bai okofa ne bai they needed support and everything on the man and now he's delivered the Ghana Premier League to Accra folk since 2009 2 years has to folk near forget everything people are saying the ref is boamo say ekomu mamo Keto Kraku the Ghana Football Association president has to folk the Ghana Premier League a whole lot of fans on man for can we have to folk near just forget them science and seven of fatu baby because me I always say this luck is when opportunity meets preparation though has folk are benefited from referee decision but performance has folk done on the field of play no so one nasa performance na dia even say referee decision go in your favor krana e be kwa basa be hwe anim ha untimi nya hwe so if say has folk are benefited from referee decision and team bia o Ghana Premier League no bia one way or the other were benefited from referee decision it has to folk and your modie no mateki no o take advantage of it the win the Ghana Premier League this year na so we have to folk near for bibia to nche because what suffer since 2009 the way I was here suffer no ma wa form say has to folk tonturo kra na mutim nyebe no ma this Ghana Premier League this na so forget bibia for bibia to nche mo ani nye because we and I make so we support a crowd and take part of that demonstration there o crowd so bossy to be ye mu ani agi bia I ma won hre won kwa bia to timi ye na the jiwani because my ade maduo ya wache mabre and no ma come and sign mathematics this Ghana Premier League no mo angasa mo ya we the kind of investment that to go after that year in this Accra folk team no o ye have to folk near me say forget to be enjoy yourself mu wani nye say has to forget to the Ghana Premier League this year na so and to go after them so I think that he's learned from a lot of mistakes out here in the previous years because Frank Nutabai he was doing so well for hard folk yes we were turn hard folk players but to na players ni who be menam ure fe ne Kennedy Asuaji ye adwuma yes we mu ade ko Duncan ye adwuma or perform wonders the moment yes we mu ade a whole lot of things but this time around no, he had faith in ure fe ne Samuel Boadu he brought him in and at the point na e won veli Samuel Boadu no ure fe to go after was there and it was the first time I me who say ye won veli has a full coach na to go after and so ginam. So it tells you the importance I know attach to the appointment of friend Samuel Boadu. And to also where has a folk near o koku to denim o bompire no abubia man we Muslims now kwa ya so no bompire man. Ade bia support him so bompa mu obi se wudi sira na be boa no ni wa sira no because investment away or has folk mu no a dorso and a pay and so that man this time around so we has folk in here. Those things in there I thought Spain remarried Barcelona. Obi a Gilly guys who ref in everyone yonko. But the biara da a cost war. And to just forget about everything. Enjoy yourself. Mwani nye so you have to focus because what bread what dia watch. This is the time where supporters you know team ni nyama home fast. So this is monto tomo monto to the has for this is more sa no mro for who say yes monso mo ye adwuma. Say that be next season mon sign share this we are because last season we used just we are this is we just we are into monko to just no na ombro who say yes you are the continental club masters na next your mom design for na for mo league na no man timi ko yi emfama mo and anija ba we has for you just be happy forget to be na mu ani nye this is the time one e so mu ani je about crowds and I'm happy the way na players na ni aje park na so the way na supporters no and yes aje and you can't fault them Oma bre House of Folk support. Oma bre. So a big congratulations to Team House of Folk, and I have always maintained this. As we talk currently, no Ghanaian coach comes closer to Samuel Boadu. It's not because watching the Ghana Premier League until I'm hyping on. For the past 2 or 3 seasons, he's been consistent. He's been super. He's been doing wonders. Ajumana Oyeno. Otieti now has Samuel Boadu. You know, say, and now we know what the Oyasi. O change. Now when influences on players, with a touch line, you see, say, there's his handwriting is on the team. He knows what he's doing. You will see carrying on how players they respect him. Or no more tight, but they give him that maximum respect. The Samuel Boadu, kudos to him. Currently Ghana, no manager come close to him or a super. Now we conquer Ghana. I just want to see him in Africa. Than in a technical know-how. I want to see him in Africa again these big coaches. Coaches they are well paid. Tactically they are sound. Or no share. Then I will judge him on that platform. But Ghana there, who are finished Ghana, he's super. In the last 14 games at Crowds for Cabo, they managed to win 13 games and 3-1. That tells you how Samuel Boadu and so it's just a team. And we'll be able to go after the Fubia song of Samuel Boadu Rano. And Susan Pacron, so to go after the team where now we can pay with the man. Then so you're no one in Yansam, and that's one in him. And no team who said this coach will help me after sending one learning a lesson from previous managers on one has also on paper man. No one cause I took the right decision because Samuel Boadu in the best side BR and my house of he brought or buy the 2 players when they buy Caliber man or integral part of the team. I brought teams that has for lead not Nabom. Nipo integral part of this team no Salif Ibrahim. Or no one that's not Accra House of Folk and buy them over the make full shape of Accra House of Folk. Debiada, you know, send no matter the mom afutu super defensive midfielder. No one about defending heritage in a hole, no one Salif Ibrahim. That partnership and that shape of keeping your midfield no at Accra House of Folk and so to higher heights. And look at how some players are not mere lost for Tau. Now he was sidelined under Costa Papet. Your band look at the confidence he's giving him and performance ordinary. You look at Adusoa. He was nobody in the crowd of setup, but he came in and that mistake Nuru Suru or himself. Brand Brown, 100 TBM. Where players are improving. Look at a brand of free banner. Look at how he performed. So I think that's some more body dear me. I've always maintained this. Currently, Ghana coaches in Dubian who will come closer to him. And kudos to him. Or born homebody in the house of Folk do level Madrid. In the league, Nania man can't go achieving that I was a mediama. But this time around, Nankupo in the end of Emanema. I did not the house of Folk. Each and every house of Folk supporter will always remember Samuel Boadu for this work he's done for them. So, we house of Folk near Nuaninje because it's my bread and imagine the Ghana Premier League, and say this morning. So, congratulations to House of Folk. Obia, we involved. Supporters, say, wow, take part in that demonstration, Nuaninje, because what make key influence our team, some team, and so to imagine the Ghana Premier League first in 11 solid good years. Congratulations to House of Folk. Obia, you fought a good fight. Me did the a quick jamfi with my friend Ibrahim and me then sound and to me below. So you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Nabo notification bell for more updates. No crane bar Jabeka. Asem ne banner nya Jabeka. Ti banner can for one. No one say and yen yeka. Your banner can na you dear banner to say the why ye and yeka. Sign any what channel is so. You buy the can without fear or fever. Till we meet again, you say bye bye.